Hello friends, welcome to my channel RF Design Basics. In today's video, I will demonstrate the setup for recording overhead videos which I use for my YouTube videos. This setup is assembled using 3 different items: mic stand, ball head and mobile phone holder. This can be bought separately on Amazon or Flipkart. Link of these items can be found in the description. The first component is mic stand, which will come along with a mic holder and need to be removed from the mic stand so that other components can be fitted. Second component is swivel mini ball head. It can be moved 360 degree by using knob and can be fixed at required angle. And the third component is mobile holder. This component is also having flexibility of moving in any direction. The mobile phone can be held inside this by using the knob and can be moved in any direction. When we buy this stand, this will come with this particular thread which may not fit directly in the ball head. So you may need to buy a separate thread of different size which will match with the size of the thread in the ball head, and we can directly connect into this. So there will be one replacement required, and by replacing this we can put the ball head into the replaced thread, and lastly in ball head we can connect the mobile holder like this. So this is how you assemble your setup. Now I will show you how to fix it on table. So first of all, loosen this and then take it to the edge of the table and fix it at appropriate place and tight it. Then next check will be here, and we will make sure that all the knobs are tight. And finally we will adjust this mobile holder to the horizontal position so that it will hold mobile in horizontal position. So now I am going to put a mobile phone in the mobile holder, and then we will demonstrate how to use this setup. You can adjust the height of this stand by moving up and down, and you can change the angle by losing the knob and rotating in appropriate direction. Now bring the paper and adjust all the arrangements and start recording it. You should focus first before starting recording, so that when you are moving your hand while writing, the autofocus will not focus on your hand. Rather, it will keep on focusing on paper and you will get a clear picture of that. So this is how we set up this stand and we make videos on YouTube. Thank you.